Hey guys, it's Jordana aka Glamazon1026 and thank you for stepping into the glam room. Today I'm bringing you a hopefully really quick and simple easy tutorial about how to get bronzy glowy skin just in time for the summer. We're in the last week of May. I think that's when this video is coming up, and I don't know about wherever you guys are living, but Tennessee, it has been hot, okay? The day's been like 90 degrees and we are only in May, so summertime, I know it's about to be like ridiculous. I want this focus of this summer to be the skin. The skin is in. The skin is always in. So I'm going to be showing you how to get this look, which is my super simple, easy, glowy, bronzy with a pop of color within this video. So stick with me if you want to see how to get this look. I don't know what I'm calling it yet. Bronzy with a pop of color. I have no idea. As usual, we're starting off with our eyebrows and then we're going to go into the face and complexion work, and then we'll get into our eyeshadow. I'm going to try and do this as quick as possible so that the eyeshadow portion doesn't take up 5 minutes of our video. I'm trying to go for like a feathered, well, not really feathered brow because I don't have enough brows to feather. I'm trying to go for a lighter brow because this is summertime. We want it to be all about like skin and glowing and, you know, all of that. But we still need our brows done. I'm color correcting with the e.l.f. orange color correcting stick. I really have been using this since I did the Get Ready With Me with a face full of new makeup because it's really good. It just is nice and thick. The coverage is perfect. Trying to do a good job color correcting today because it is all about the skin. That is what we are focusing on, is the skin, kind of. Because we're still gonna put a whole lot of makeup on our skin, but we want it to look good and we want it to look flawless. So go in with the color corrector. I am taking my Appeal Cosmetics Lustre drops in, what color is it? It's just bronze. So I'm dropping a little bit of that on my hand, but it's nice and thick, and I could put this on as a luminizer for my foundation with a dual fiber brush. I'm just going to take that and go all over my skin. I have a nice little glow forming already. I have a little bit more that's on the back of my hand, so I'm going to take my Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation, warm it up a little bit, and then just add it to my skin where I normally do. This is in the shade Golden Almond. And the rest that I have on the back of my, that I warmed up on the back of my hand with the Appeal Cosmetics drops, I'm gonna pick it up with my Makeup Geek face buffer brush. Just mix both of them together and just buff everything in. I'm highlighting with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Caramel. I'm adding a little bit, just a smidge, of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. While that concealer is sitting, I am going to contour my face with the Black Opal True Color Foundation Stick in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Now we're going to take the Beauty Blender and blend out the concealer. This is the Beauty Bakery blending egg, by the way. I used it in my new makeup video, but I don't think I announced that. This is their blending egg, and I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. So as you can see, even though we highlight and contour, the glow is still coming through because we use those Appeal Cosmetics Lustre Drops with our foundation and under our foundation so that we can get like a bronzy summertime glow, because that's what we're all about. We're about the glowing, trying to glow, okay? I'm going to go in with my NYX No Filter powder, just a little bit, just really, really lightly, because I don't want it to be too matte. I know that sounds weird coming from me because I love everything matte, but I don't want it to be too matte. I just want to set the rest of my face. So I'm going in like super light. Priming my eyes with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel. For shadow today, I'm not even using shadow. I'm using the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette. This is going to be super easy. I want to use all the colors in it. Look at this. It's gorgeous. I don't want to use this as blushes. I want to use this as everything. I was told by AppleCare that this could be used as highlight, blush, and eyeshadow. Amazing. I stand. I stand. So, let's get on to this eye tutorial. I'm going to start with Towel because I feel like that matches the mood that I'm in now. Like a peachy bronzy. Peachy bronze. We're going to use this as our transition shade. So I'm going in with my Morphe M433 brush. Oh, this doesn't have a mirror. That's the only thing about Juvia's Place palettes. They don't have mirrors, but it's okay because the palettes are very inexpensive. So. I blend it out a little bit more so there's no lines, but that's it. We just want a flush of color, just a flush of color. I'm going to use my flat shader on the color Zoba, which is right down here, this pinky, peachy blush color, and I am going to use that as my lid. It's not really picking up how I want it to pick up. So I'm gonna go over that with Sola. Maybe I need to do a Shrooping Schmear. Ooh, Sola is bright. Now that I have that color put down, I'm gonna go over it with Zoba, which was this color right here. Spraying my brush with my Smashbox primer water. These shimmers are more difficult to pick up than regular Juvia's Place shimmers. I'm not sure if it's just me or what, but they're a little bit tough. But I mean, they're also not eyeshadows, so you know. But I'm just gonna put some liquid on it because that might make it go a little bit easier. Yes, it definitely is going a little bit easier. I'm just gonna put that in the front third of my eye. Yes. That's what I want. This wasn't supposed to be this complicated. This literally was supposed to be two color shadows. Now with the same Morphe M433, I'm going to go back in with Towel, which is this orangish color, and we're just going to finish out the eye look. Since this look is super simple, you do not need a really thick, full, heavy lash to weigh your eyelid down. You just want something nice and wispy. I'm about to put on some random AliExpress lashes and pray for the best. now you are enhanced without being like kapow, you know? It looks really nice. It looks really, it's not, it's like a smidge over natural. It's not like completely natural. You don't look bald eyeballs either. So now it's time to finish up the face. Everything that we've got so far has been like bronzy, glowy, and we're going to keep that same energy right now. I'm going to use the Saharan Blush Volume 2. I'm going to use that same towel color as my blush. We're keeping it monochromatic today, okay? But this is pigmented, okay? I didn't expect anything less from Juvia's. I'm gonna see if I can use that to set my contour. Let's see. For lips, now I am going to go a little bit overboard with the lips because I love me a bold lip in the summertime, okay? I am taking, I don't know. I'm gonna use Plum because why not? This is Plum Lip Pencil by MAC. This is weird because I didn't put on any highlighter yet, but I kind of look like I have a highlighter already because of all the glowage that we've been doing, so who knows? Anyway, I'm taking this lip pencil Plum, and if we need a darker one, we'll go back. Going in with the MAC Retro Matte in quite the Standout. I love a red orange in the summertime. This reminds me of Lady Danger. So I had to change it. I mean, I used the Plum at first, but I decided that it needed to be a little bit more, I needed a darker color, and I couldn't find my Vino lip pencil because I lose things all the time. So I used this Jordana Easy Liner for lips in the color Plush Plum to kind of just darken up the edges a little bit so that the orange isn't so orange, you know, orange. That's it, and that's it. Like, this look is complete, kind of. We still need to, I'm gonna put on a highlight, and the highlight's going to be Candle Light by Cover Effects. You guys know how much I love this highlight. Since, you know, if I were to go out after this, if I was planning on going out, I would definitely use my bed knife final seal to set all of this into place because I don't want it moving anywhere. But since I am only staying in the house, I'm just going to use whatever I would have used on top of the bed knife final seal, which is the MAC Fix Plus in Goldlite. I just picked this up. I'm excited about it. Look how nice and sparkly it is. Delicious. But because this is going to help us really glow. That's it. And we are done. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I don't know why I said it like that. I'm just really like, I need to go somewhere now. I was like, ooh, if it's close to happy hour time, I'm about to call my girls. We have to go to happy hour because I look cute, okay? I am going to wear this look a lot this summer because it looks so nice and fresh and beautiful and glowy and bronzy, and that's how I like to look, okay? That is my plan in life, is always to look like a bronze goddess, and thankfully all of these products have helped me look like a bronze goddess. I hope you like this video because I love this video. I love this look. I think it's super cute. Sometimes I outdo myself. Sometimes what I do exceeds the expectations that I have. So sorry, I'm being really silly right now. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really, really, really appreciate it. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit my notification bell thingy that's under the bottom here, you know, so that you can be part of the Bang Bang notification gang. We're leaving some clickies down here so that you can stay a while, get to know me, get to know my style of makeup, and, you know, go about your business. Yeah. Anyway, thank you. for stopping by. I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Bye.